Okay, I have literally 3 minutes before I have to leave and look like this. With Bebelus foundation and eyeshadow palette, I'll show you how to transform from barefaced to flawless in just 180 seconds. Starting with our Bebelus foundation, apply just a few drops for a buildable, natural finish. Blend in small, circular motions to achieve that flawless second skin look. High-speed sequence, stippling, buffing, under-eye focus, even coverage. Radiant complexion revealed. Next, let's create a quick, elegant eye look. Use a light shade all over the lid as your base. A deeper tone in the crease for dimension. Back and forth windshield wiper motion blends darker tone into crease. Finish with a touch of shimmer at the center. Finger tap shimmer onto lid center. Sparkle catches light. And that's it. Flawless in just 3 minutes. Find your perfect products at bebeluscosmetics.com.